Well, hello there and happy Vlogmas and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through my morning and evening skincare routine. This is the skincare routine I've been using all year and it's been working really well for me. This is the best condition that my skin has been in a very long time. So I'm really excited to share these products with you, so let's jump right in. My morning routine is really simple. It's just 4 steps and I do start with a cleanser. And I've been using the La Roche-Posay Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash. I love this cleanser because it gets my skin really nice and clean without stripping it at all. You can usually find La Roche-Posay products for around under $20, but the cleanser in particular, along with the moisturizer I'm using later, you get a lot in the bottle. So I think I paid about $14, $15 for this, but there are 13.5 fluid ounces in this bottle. So I'm gonna have this for a while. I usually just use 1 pump when I am going to wash my face. After I pat my skin dry, I go in with my toner, and I've been loving this toner from Peach Slices. It's called the Snail Rescue Blemish Busting Toner with 95% snail mucin concentrate. Now this product is marketed towards people with acne-prone skin, and I fortunately don't actually deal with acne, but it also helps a lot with skin barrier repair and protection. The snail mucin is such a great ingredient for the skin, and it's actually the first ingredient on the ingredients list of this product, so you know you're definitely getting your money's worth when it comes to this ingredient. I like to take a couple drops into my hands, spread it around, and then I like to spread it first to make sure I cover everywhere, and then I'll press it. After I let that sink in, I like to go in with a moisturizer, and I've been using the La Roche-Posay Daily Repair Moisturizing Lotion. Now, I love this one because it's nice and simple, it's non-comedogenic, it doesn't have any fragrance, and it also sinks into the skin really easily, but it provides me with enough moisture to last me all day and also all night. But of course, I reapply at night, but you'll see in my PM skincare routine. And I like to usually use just 1 pump of this moisturizer. And at the end of it, there we go, okay. Now I have dry skin, and it's my personal preference to go in with a separate moisturizer and then a sunscreen afterwards. So sometimes the sunscreen I use afterwards will be a moisturizing one and sometimes it won't be, but I can afford to choose because I have the regular moisturizer underneath. So for today, I'm gonna go in with the Bondi Sands Face 50 sunscreen. This is one of my favorite sunscreens. If you've been watching my sunscreen review series, then you already know that, but I will go ahead and drop that review down below just in case you haven't seen it. Now this sunscreen is super moisturizing, so maybe not, you know, for you if you are, if you have oily skin, but otherwise you will probably love it. It doesn't leave a white cast. It leaves a nice glow without any glitter. Not that I'm against that, but just so you know. All right, that wraps up my daytime skincare routine. I will be back to show you my nighttime skincare routine where I remove my makeup and get my skin prepped and ready for bed. And we are back for my nighttime skincare routine. And I always start the night off with a double cleanse. I do it whether or not I wear makeup so that I can break down everything that's on my face and make sure I get a thorough cleanse and my skin is squeaky clean when I rest at night. For my first step, I'm either using a balm or an oil. I actually have 2 videos where I share my thoughts on all of the cleansing balms and oils that I've tried out so far, and I give some recommendations in those videos. But if you only have time for these 2, a great cleansing balm is this Juno&Co Clean 10 Cleansing Balm. You can get it for under $15 on Amazon, and it works really, really well to remove your makeup, and it also has a really nice scent. Now, if you want something that's not scented like that and you prefer an oil, the Burt Bees Cleansing Oil is one of my favorites and has been a repurchase of mine for years now. It removes makeup so easily, and all kinds of makeup, and it doesn't leave any sort of weird residue behind, making it my favorite makeup remover of all time. I'm going to use the Burt Bees Cleansing Oil tonight, and what I like to do is take either 1 or 2 pumps and then rub it in my hands and then just break down my makeup. Now normally I go in immediately with my facial cleanser as I'm using the water to remove the cleansing oil from my skin or cleansing balm. And I go in with the same cleanser that I used from earlier, the La Roche-Posay Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash. And now I'm going in again with the Peach Slices Snail Rescue Blemish Busting Toner. I love this product so much, and it's so inexpensive that I don't mind using it every day, twice a day. I struggle with hyperpigmentation, and one of the products that's helped me so much is the Faded Serum by Topicals. It's made the biggest difference in my hyperpigmentation, and this is a definite repurchase for me. And I like to focus it just in the areas where I have hyperpigmentation, the areas where I actually struggle with it, and just massage it in from there. Next, I'm going in with the same moisturizer from earlier, the La Roche-Posay Daily Repair Moisturizing Lotion. Like I said earlier, it's nice and lightweight and absorbs really quickly, but it gives a great amount of moisture to the skin. I never wake up feeling like my skin is parched or like I didn't get enough. Now, as we get into the colder part of the year, I'm in the south, so even though it's December, it's not really like super cold yet. But as we get into the colder part of the year, I might switch to a thicker moisturizer, but for right now, this works really well for me. Now, this next step I'm not always great about, but I need to be better about doing it every day, and that is applying a lash serum. And recently I've been using the AOA Studio Silky Lash Serum. But I've also used the one by e.l.f. and really enjoyed that one too. And I just apply a little bit along my lash line and a bit in my brows. And last but not least, I like to go in with a bit of eye cream. Recently, I've been using the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Eye Cream, and I've really been enjoying it. I also really like using this one underneath makeup if my eyes are looking tired or super dry. All right, and that completes my everyday skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will have all the products linked down below. Thanks again for watching. I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.